With Uganda in an awkward situation without a national airline, the move to revive the defunct Uganda Airlines that was disbanded during the privatization bonanza that hit the country not long ago appears to garner support from across the political divide, a rare event in the country. One of such is Shadow Minister for Information and National Guidance Ibrahim Ssemujju Nganda, who says that revamping the Uganda Airlines is a good investment for the nation.
The only problem, I don't trust they have capacity to reactivate and re-establish the Uganda Airlines, because they are the beneficiaries. When Uganda Airlines was dismantled and they made the Civil Aviation Authority, then NHANS went to Honorable Sam Kutesa.
But considering the manner in which the national carrier was liquidated in May 2001, fears emerge on the hiccups the move is likely to encounter right from the preliminary stages in cabinet.
There will even be a fighting within the cabinet itself. So when you re-establish Uganda Airlines, do you take it back to where it was? Or you simply want to buy some aircraft and they begin flying within the region and within other distances?
It appears economic interests of bigwigs within the NRM establishment are likely to be on the line, since the move will mean a tilt in the status quo.
Every single day, Honorable Sam Kutesa earns about 80 million shillings. Now the traffic has increased.
The opposition also argues that the agency is based on the excitement that has surrounded the post-oil era in the country.
Any attempt to re-establish Uganda Airline must take us back to the situation it was before it was dismantled. So Uganda Airline must be the one handling, because it will be less profitable if ground handling is still handled by a different entity.
The move comes almost 20 years after it folded, when attempts to privatize the debt-ridden company failed. Critics warn that Ugandan ministers subscribe to the man eateth where he worketh philosophy and are likely to shoot down the project that would offer employment opportunities to hundreds of unemployed youth. Sabiti Joseph, WS Television.